Every January 1st, the world wakes up with a collective sense of a fresh start. The transition into a new year is celebrated across the globe with massive, sky-illuminating spectacles. When the smoke clears, attention turns inward. We typically make resolutions focused on the self, hitting the gym, overhauling our diets, or organizing personal finances. But this tradition overlooks a basic sociological reality. Our individual health and community stability are rooted in the home environment. That is why January 1st carries a parallel, lesser-known designation. It is Global Family Day, observed under a specific theme, one day of peace and sharing. Curious, the premise here raises an obvious question. Can bridging the gap toward global peace be engineered by something as ordinary as sitting in a living room with your relatives? Testing this claim matters. If global harmony relies on the micro-level dynamics of a household, then our traditional approach to world peace is structurally backwards. To see how this idea started, we have to look back to the intense global anticipation and cultural reset surrounding the year 2000. Amidst the frenzy of the millennium, a specific catalyst emerged in the form of a children's book, One Day in Peace, January 1st, 2000, by Steve Diamond. The book presented a straightforward thought experiment. It challenged people around the world to dedicate the first day of the millennium entirely to peace, unity, and family togetherness. This singular literary concept caught on. Without central coordination, peace organizations, educational institutions, and community groups adopted the idea, cementing January 1st as an annual observance. This origin shows how international movements form. They don't always require top-down mandates from powerful leaders. A simple, resonant cultural narrative can organize action worldwide. Global Family Day operates as an organizational anomaly. It functions without official religious affiliation and is missing from public holiday lists in almost every nation. It also operates outside the mandate of global governing bodies. Instead of top-down directives, it relies on a concentric action model, the premise that peace must generate at the smallest societal unit before scaling outward. Locally, families share meals, express gratitude, and resolve household conflicts peacefully. From there, households extend that harmony outward, volunteering, donating, and engaging in community peace programs. The lack of rigid institutional boundaries is precisely the greatest strength of this holiday. It acts as an adaptable framework for anyone on Earth to implement. Beyond its biological definition, the family serves as the primary training ground for moral values and emotional support. An individual's capacity for public cooperation, respecting diversity, and understanding others is directly limited by their ability to practice kindness and conflict resolution in private. Global Family Day shifts the focus away from individual self-improvement and directs it toward community improvement. Broad international harmony relies on the cumulative effect of stable, cooperative households. Building a more inclusive world begins with the choice of compassion on January 1st. The most powerful geopolitical tool an individual possesses is the family dinner table.